What's the meaning of cottonmouth moccasin? Cottonmouth moccasin. Cottonmouth moccasin.
Cottonmouth moccasin. Cottonmouth moccasin. Cottonmouth moccasin refers to a venomous snake found in the southeastern United States.
The cottonmouth, also known as the water moccasin, is a thick-bodied snake that can grow up to 6 feet long. It gets its name from the cottony white appearance of the inside of its mouth, which it displays when threatened.
Its venom is hemotoxic and can cause tissue damage, pain, and swelling.
Although typically not aggressive towards humans, it is best to keep a safe distance from this dangerous reptile if encountered in the wild.